Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the document and activating the Type tool. Click to place a text insertion point, then type your text or select existing type layer and layers. Once done, look at the options bar and character panel. These control font size, leading, and tracking. Make sure the layer is not a rasterized or shape layer because those prevent live type adjustments. If the character panel is hidden, open it via Window Character. This panel gives precise size controls and units. Next, change the font size with precision. With the Type tool active, select the text range you want to modify and enter a new value in the character panel. Points or pixels are accepted. You can also use the keyboard. Highlight text and press Ctrl+Shift+ or Ctrl+Shift+ to step sizes. For visual adjustments, use Free Transform, Ctrl, or CMD+T. Make sure to hold Shift to keep proportions. Also consider changing leading and tracking to maintain legibility when size changes. Finish by confirming the size and preserving editability. If you expect further edits, keep the layer as live type. Rasterize only when necessary. Make final visual checks. Inspect anti-aliasing settings in the options bar and view at 100% to judge sharpness. If quality falls when scaling, convert the type layer to a smart object before transforming. This preserves vector information. If you see unexpected jagged edges, undo the rasterization or use a higher resolution document and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.